Good morning, friends. I hope you had a wonderful spring break and welcome back. Today, we are going to make a number sentence and we are going to do it by students who have 9 letters in their name. And then we're going to add students who have more or less than 9 letters in their name to get a total of 20 students in Mrs. Giffin's class. So let's look and see if we see any long looking names that seem like they might have 9 letters. When you're looking around and trying to see if something looks like it has a certain number in it, that's called estimation. So let's see, I'm estimating that Adeline's name looks kind of long. So let's see how many letters are in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She doesn't have 9 letters, but she has 8. So Mrs. Giffin's estimation was pretty close. Let's check Bretta J's. She looks like she has a long name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at that. Bretta J has 9 letters in her name. So I'm going to move it over onto the side of our T chart that says students with 9 letters. Let's see. Anybody else? Harmony's name looks kind of long. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, my estimation was not correct, but it was close. There was 8 letters, not 9. So it looks like Bretta J is the only one in our class that has 9 letters in her name. How about that? All right, let me get my pen. Today we will use green. All right, so one student in our class has 9 letters in their name. So I'm going to write a number 1 on our up and down number sentence. Let's see, we're going to count and find out how many kids have more or less than 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 kids have more or less than 9 letters. So let's put a number. What does a teen number start like? You got it, a number 1. And when I say 19, what other number do you hear in there? I hear 9. Let's read our number sentence from top to bottom. 1 plus 19 equals 20 students in our class. Great job, friends. Bretta J is the only one that has 9 letters in her name. All right, let's take a look at our calendar. Last week, there was a special holiday called Easter. I hope you got to do something fun for Easter. Let's see. And this week, oh my goodness, we have a birthday coming up. So that's very exciting. This is Jeremy's birthday. So on Friday, we'll have to make sure and say happy birthday to Jeremy. Today starts like the letter M. Monday. Tomorrow starts like the letter T. Tuesday. You got it. And yesterday was Sunday. Great job, friends. And right now we know that it is the month of April and it's the season spring. That's right. Great job, friends. It is the season of spring. So today is Monday, April the 20th. All right, let's say our shapes together. Oval, square, rectangle, circle, triangle, diamond. Great job, friends. Turn to someone inside of your house and tell them one thing that you know about a triangle. What do you know about a triangle? Let's take a look at it. Think about how many sides you see. How many pointy corners are there? Triangle. Awesome. I hope you told someone in your house that a triangle has 3 sides, 3 pointy corners, or maybe you told them that a triangle has straight lines. Those would all be good things to know about a triangle. Awesome. Let's keep going. So, we're not going to look at our weather graph today because sometimes Mrs. Giffen does our morning message on a different day than what it really is. And so we're confusing people about what the weather is. So, we're going to look back at a graph that we did a while ago of our favorite colors. We made our favorite color graph while we were still at school. So, let's take a look. I want you to turn to somebody at your house and tell them which colors have an equal number of kids who chose as their favorite color. Which colors are equal? I'm looking and I see red has two students who chose it as their favorite color. Two students chose yellow as their favorite color, and two students chose orange as their favorite color. Awesome. So yellow, red, and orange are all equal because they have the same. They all have two. Awesome. Let's keep on going. Let's read our morning message. I'm going to point to each word and let's say them together. Good morning, friends. Today is Monday. I hope you had a great spring break with your family. What did you do? Did you go look for Easter eggs around your yard? Did you get an Easter basket? Did you have a nice meal with your family? I hope you were able to do something fun. Me and my husband hung out at my house with our dogs and we had lasagna for dinner and it was delicious. All right, let's circle a sentence today. We're going to circle the sentence that is a question. How do you know if a sentence is a question? What would you look for to find that sentence? I would look for the question mark at the end of the sentence. Another thing that you can look for are words like where, what, and why. Because a lot of times when you hear where, what, and why in a sentence, that means that sentence is going to be a question. Let's see. I see a question mark right here. So we're going to circle this sentence. It says, what did you do? Because I asked, what did you do during spring break time? So I'm going to look for a capital letter that's starting my sentence. And this is the word what did you do? I'm going to circle the whole sentence. Can you count and tell me how many words are in that sentence? How many words are in that sentence? Let's think about it. Let's say it again. What did you do? Let's count them. What did you do? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words are in that sentence. Awesome, friends. Let's keep going. All right, let's take a look over here again because I want to practice some of our symbols that we've been talking about. Let me get my pointer back. Oh, there we go. Awesome. So let's make a little bit of a number sentence, and we're going to use some of the symbols that we see down here. We're going to find out which side has more or less and which number is bigger or smaller. Let's see here. So I'm going to make a problem for us to figure out. All right. So I've got some green balloons on this side and I've got some red balloons on this side. Let's find out which side has more and which side has less and what symbol we should use to show which one is more or less. So can you tell me how many green balloons I have on this side? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green balloons. I'm going to use these stars to mark on my number line how many of each kind of balloon I have. So this side has 4 green balloons. Let's count how many red balloons there are. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to use this star over here, and I'm going to mark how many red balloons I have. Those numbers are really close together, I'm noticing. On my number line. But we do know that when we go this way on the number line, the numbers get what? Bigger. You're right. And when we go this way on the number line, the numbers get smaller. Very good. So is 3 a bigger number or is 4 a bigger number? I know that 4 is a bigger number than 3. Awesome. So let's write our numbers here in our boxes. Let me get my pen out. We're using green today. All right. So we said we have 4 green balloons. Write a 4 in the air with me. And we said we have 1, 2, 3 red balloons. Write a 3 with your finger in the air with me. Awesome. And we said that we know that 4 is a bigger number than 3. So I'm looking at these symbols here, and I see an alligator mouth that's pointing this way. I see an alligator mouth that's pointing this way, and I see another symbol that we know right here. Can you tell me the name of that symbol? That's right. It is an equal symbol. So do we know, is 4 and 3, are 4 and 3 equal numbers? Are they the same? Nope, they're not the same. So we're not going to use the equal today. Not going to use that equal symbol. Let's see. So we said 4 is a bigger number than 3. Which number does the alligator mouth want to eat? Does it want to eat the bigger number or the smaller number? You got it. It wants to eat the bigger number. So we're going to face that alligator's mouth or that baby shark mouth we talked about, and it's going to face towards the bigger number because it wants to eat the most. It wants to eat the number that's the biggest. So this number sentence says 4 is bigger than 3. 4 is a bigger number than 3. Awesome. Way to go today, guys. Working with some numbers and taking a look at our calendar together. I hope that you are off to a great start for your week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.